Good morning. This is Tracy Dean coming to you live from Apostolic Radio Ministries International. Again, this is Tracy Dean coming to you live from Apostolic Radio Ministries International. Today's episode will be with Dr. Wendy Deans. The dogs were the Robocops. No, that actually is a dog or the Robo. Right? So we'll hear a little bit about the story about the dogs who were the Robos. Now, let's go ahead and put on Dr. Wendy Dean.
There was a lady who had a little girl who was sick. And she went to Jesus and, "Jesus, Son of David, please help me. Please, my daughter is really sick. Please help me." And Jesus didn't respond. And so she went to the disciples and said, "Hello, disciples, please get Jesus to help me, or you please help me. My daughter is really sick."
And Jesus said, "It's not your turn. I have to feed all of these other kids."
Please help me, Jesus. Please, I know.
I was sent for the lost sheep of Israel. I will not feed children's food to dogs.
Jesus, I really understand that. But when the children are eating and the crumbs drop on the floor, the dog eats the crumbs. They don't wait until the children are full. They just go right under the table and eat some of the crumbs. Can you please help me?
Oh, woman, your faith is great. It shall be done as you say. Your daughter is healed.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. What about the dog? Are you going to say what the dog is like?
The dog is like a robo-cleaner.
Why are they a robo-cleaner?
Because they eat all of the crumbs up.
See, they were automatic robots back in the old days. The dogs were those automatic robots.
Thank you for listening to Dr. Wendy Dean. Again, Dr. Wendy Dean, she was just showing us that, the children's food were given to the children's first, and then the dogs were eating the crumbs. So the dogs were like the robo-cleaners. They were like the robo-cleaners now. They were cleaning up under the table. Again, that was Dr. Wendy Dean. Thank you.